for the other one. So from that point to that point, the sum is equals to 180. Rather, in this area, 2 angles, 3 angles, 4 angles, the sum total of the angles will be 180. So the first rule is the angles on the straight line add up to 180. Like in your diagram, we can see if it is A, this is B. So A plus B will be equal to 180 degrees. For example, if I say A is equals to 60, A is equals to 60. So what will be the value of B? Then B will be equal to 180 minus 60, 120.
The answer 120. Yes.
If A is equals to 60, B will be 120. Like this, you can find out the different angles. And the same way, another diagram. Another diagram you can see here. Here are different angles like this. When you see on your book, you can check that these are the angles. The same diagram you can see here.
Yes.
C, D, E, F. The angle names are
CD.
C, D, E, and F. Here now we have 4 angles. So the sum of all these 4 angles would be C plus
180.
D plus E plus F equal to 180. Now, angles on a point. Angles on a point. The next one is angles on a point. Angles on the point, the sum of the angles on a point is equals to 360 degrees. For example, this is a point. This is a point. On this point, the sum of angles is equals to 100, 360. 360 degrees.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام. Write present in the chat, Ahmad Ali.
Oh, okay.
A, B, C, D, and E. This is the point. On this point, the sum of all angles is equals to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. And after that, the next one is opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. This is rule. Opposite angles are always equal. Opposite angles are always equal. This is opposite to this. And this angle is opposite to this angle. These are the opposite angles. So this will be, if A and B, these are the opposite angles, so A and B equal. Here, if this is C and D, C and D are opposite angles, so C and D are equal here. Now, we will come to the exercise. Question number 1A. Question 1A. Page number 315. And the diagram, first of all, I'll draw the diagram. Diagram is almost like this, look like. Okay. So here, this is x and the rest is 132 degrees. So what will be the value of x? 48. How 40? No. The sum of the straight line 180. 48. X will be equal to 180 minus 132. So what will be the answer? What are you doing? 48 degrees.
So the answer is 48.
48 degrees. Okay, now B. Okay, this one 53. And the other is equal to x. X will be equal to answer 307 degrees. Now C. C. 72 degrees and x is equals to x. X will be equal to minus
Answer 130.
if you have calculator, then you can use, not on the mobile. If you want to use calculator, bring the calculator, not mobile. Don't replace calculator with mobile. Not allowed. Because you should be familiar with the calculator, not with the mobile calculator. You will remember now if you remember my words. Okay, now not needed for everyone to comment on everything. 78 degrees, 43 degrees and x. So what will be the value of x? X is equals to 180 minus 78 minus 43. So what will be the answer?
What?
50? 59 degrees.
Mr. Discussion what?
Question E. Question 1E. Page 315. Now question F. F is similar. G. Now we will go towards G. So this angle like this here, and this is x, this is 131. So who will tell me now the value of x?
130 Mr.
The sum
90,
is
okay.
equals to 360. X is equals to 360 minus 131. No. Whenever you see this type of box, yes, it means 90 degrees.
Okay, Mr. Okay,
Whenever
Mr.
you see
That
this kind of box, it means 90 minus 90.
okay.
So what
Mr.
will
The
be the
answer
answer?
is 229. 229. Okay, minus.
MashaAllah.
Are you sure?
No, Mr. 139. 139.
Again.
139, Mr.
139. Okay, now question number 2. Write down the value of x in each of these diagrams. Question number 2. Question 2a. First of all, I'm going to draw the diagram. So, x is equal and 82. So, x is equals to? 82. Why 82? Because the opposite angles.
Yes.
Because the opposite angles. And in B, x will be equal to 105. And C, x is equals to 75. Because all these angles are opposite angles. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, stand up. You stand up. He's sleeping with open eyes. Believe me, can you sleep without closing the eyes? He's sleeping with open eyes. Same value, not multiply. Okay, this is x. And this angle is equals to 125. What is the value of x? 125. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. He is sleeping and the other one is wake up more than wake up. You have what? Pain in your head. Go and drink water. 2 glass. Go. Pain in your head.
Water, Mr.
Cold water.
Cold water, Mr. Mr. Let him go drink more Zamzam, Mr.
Question number 3. In the diagram, angle ABD is 45 and angle CBD is 125. Decide whether ABC is a right straight line. Write down how you decide. Okay, now again I will read the question. You can see here the diagram like that on your books. A, B, C, and D. In the diagram, angle ABD, angle point will be in the center always. When we write the angle ABD, means the point on the angle will be in the center. Means that angle on B, ABD mean ABD. B is in the center. This angle, ABD means this angle is equals to 45 degrees. He's saying that 45 degrees. And angle CBD, this angle is equals to 125. How? It is written in the book. Decide whether ABC is a straight line. ABC is a straight line or not. If we add up and the sum is equals to 180, then it is a straight line. If it is not 180, then it is not the straight line. So we will see that 125,
Sir, 170.
it is coming 170. So means that this is not a straight line. So A, B, C line, this for line, A, B, C line is not a straight line. Okay, now question number 4. Calculate the value of x in each of these examples. From these three, I will solve one. Question number 4. So, for example, B, I am going to solve B because it is little different.
Sir, you'll upload this, yeah?
Yes, don't worry. So this one is keep quiet. X minus 10 degrees. This is X and this is X plus 40 degrees. So we need to find the value of X. Yes. What should we do? We can add all and that will be equal to X. When we add all, that should be equal to 360 because in one angle, see back, he's sleeping. Abdullah, stand up. X plus 40 plus X minus 10 equal 360. So X plus X equal 3X. 40 minus 10 equal
30.
equal 360. Now this 30 go to other side and here minus, other side plus. So X is equals to 390 divided by 3. When we bring this 3 to other side, it will divide. So 130 degrees. Value of X is equals to 130 degrees and that will be 120 degrees angle and that will be 170 degree angle. Yes. Understand? Yes. Now, question number 5. Calculate the value of X in each of the following. Okay, which one? A, B, or C?
Yeah, Mr.
Yes.
Mr. In question number 4 and B. Mr. Why you wrote 130 and 170?
Allah. Look, X equal to 130. So X minus 10 will be equal to what?
Yes, Mr. I know this, but 120 and 170. Why?
X is equals to 130. So X plus 40 will be equal to what? Rakan.
Yes, Mr.
X is equals to 130. X plus 40 equal to what? 170.
170, yes. Oh, okay.
Question number 5. Question number 5B. Yes. This is X. Yes. And the other one is 3X. Sum of these two will be equal to 180, because on the straight line half circle is equals to 180. When we add these two, it should be equal to 180. 3x plus x equal? Yes.
4x.
In question 4 or 5? Yes. What 420? Let me check. X plus 40 plus x minus 10. Okay, 3x plus 30. Here the mistake. Here must be plus. We did minus. So if here plus, here should be minus. And this will be equal to 300, 110. If it is 110, that should be 100. This will be 100 and this will be 150. 150. So now if we add 100, 150 and 110. Now, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now x plus 3x equal to 4x. This 4 goes to other side. X is equals to 180 over 4. So what is the answer? 180 divided by 4. What? X is equals to 45. And that 3x will be equal to 3 multiplied by 45. Okay, now question number 6. Calculate the value of x first and then calculate the value of y in each of the following examples. One question. Which one? Which one you want? B. Okay. B. Question number 6B. Question 6B. Y and x plus 50. And here this one 2x minus 80 degree. So now calculate the value of x first. They are saying that first calculate the value of x. Then we can find out the value of y easily. If we know the value of x, we can find out the value of y easily. Yes. So this one 2x minus 80 is equals to y and x plus 50 equal to y. First we want to find the value of y. Which two angles we should use? The question is that which two angles should we use? That is the question. If you know that which two angles first we use, we can solve the question. Now look carefully from this point to this point. Sum equal 180. So when we add this angle and this angle, sum will be equal to 180. And we can find out the value of x easily with the help of this. 2x minus 80 plus x plus 50 equal 180. 2x plus x equal 3x. Minus 80 plus 50 equal minus 30. This 30 go to other side, become plus 30. X is equals to 210 divided by 3. So x is equals to 70. If x is 70, x plus 50 will be equal to 120. Yes. If x is equals to 70, x plus 50 understood 120. And the value of y will be 120 because these are the opposite angles. So y is equals to, and 2x minus 80 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 70 minus 80. Calculate. How?
Sir, times over.
Okay. Last question. 2 multiplied by 70 minus 80. 140 minus 80 equal 60. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, assalamu alaikum, Mr.